Hi, today we're going to make kimchi stuffed chicken wings. Now the hardest part about this dish is just deboning the chicken wings, but once you get the hang of that, it'll be very quick and easy. The first step is to roast or boil the potatoes. I choose to roast my potatoes because I think it gives it an earthier flavor. When you're cutting the chicken wing, you want to first cut off the drummet by slicing at the joint. The two bones inside the wing will then be exposed, and you want to just separate that by cutting through the cartilage. You can then gently put your knife in and gently cut around the bones. What I usually do is just cut around the top section first where the cartilage is, so then I can easily put my knife inside the wing. Once I've got my knife inside the wing, I'll start focusing on cutting around the smaller bone. Once you've got a hold of that bone, bend it at the joint with the tip, and then you should hear a crack, and then you can twist it off. You can now sort of flip the chicken meat out a bit more, which will be easier for you to cut around the larger bone. Just follow the line of the bone so that you don't cut through the chicken. Keep cutting it until you reach the cartilage, and then the same thing as the smaller bone, just twist it off the cartilage and the bone should come out. We then want to simply marinate the chicken in some soy sauce, sugar, spring onion, and gojuchang. Find a bowl that's big enough for all your chicken wings, and then just add in the soy sauce, sugar, spring onion, and gojuchang. Give it a mix until it's combined, and then you can throw in your chicken wings. To make the stuffing, we're going to first dice up some garlic. If you don't mind larger pieces of garlic, you don't have to finely dice it as much as me. We're then going to squeeze out some of the kimchi juice and then dice up the kimchi. Melt some butter in a pan and then add in the diced garlic. Fry it until it's fragrant, and then put in your kimchi as well, and then just fry it until the kimchi is a bit drier. Then just add the kimchi and the garlic to the mashed potato and give it a mix until it's all combined, and then you can add in your cheese as well and then give that another mix. Remember to also season with salt to your own preferences. As much as you're tempted to, don't add in too much cheese or everything will start oozing out once you start baking it. To stuff the wings, just open up the hole where you've removed the bone, and then you can spoon in some mash. Keep stuffing it until the chicken wing looks puffy, and then you can just seal it using a toothpick. Once you finish stuffing your chicken wings, just put some baking paper on a tray and lightly grease it with oil. So I forgot to film this, but first mix some red pepper flakes into the panko crumbs. The amount depends on how spicy you want it, so more if you want it more spicy and less if you want it less spicy. Then grab one of your chicken wings and you can coat it in plain flour. Make sure that it's well coated and then dip it in your egg and then you can coat it with your panko crumbs. Then place your chicken wings on the greased tray and then lightly drizzle on some more oil. Cook for 20 to 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius and make sure to check them halfway and give them a flip. And that's it, your stuffed chicken wings are ready. Thanks for watching and please remember to like and subscribe.